welcome back to Rainbow Chefs. My name is Ariella.
I'm Tyler, and we're going to be your hosts for today's Rainbow Chefs.
We are going to make Russian potato dumplings. Tyler will lead you through the steps and show you how to do it. Let's get started. So first, you need some dough. So when you put the dough on a mat, you have to start by putting these cups on it, like Tyler's doing right now, and put them in. Then after, you have to twist them around. Then after you do that, you must take the other skin from the outside of the circle. So now we are making the dumplings. You need to take a little bit of potato. To start making it, you put it into like a little taco. Then after you do that, you get a little pinch of water and put it around the sides. And then when you finally do that, you put it down on a plate, like we're doing a special thing, and you put some flour all around the plate. And then you go to your next one and go on and on and on. Right now, I am making flour. I'm putting flour on top of the dumplings. It's a special tradition for Russian people. So if you want to make it really pretty, or like really interesting, you gotta start by making a lot of dumplings.
See, that some of it is sticking out, taking out the sticky.
So once it's like this, you must boil it for 4 minutes. Then you can enjoy it.